ABC reading practice.
Penny the Bluebird and the Hidden Garden. Benny was a little bluebird who loved exploring the sunny meadow. One morning, he noticed a tiny golden butterfly flying towards a forest he had never visited before. Benny decided to follow it and discover where it was going. The butterfly led Benny along a narrow path covered with soft green leaves. He flew between tall flowers and tiny bushes until he found an old wooden gate. Behind the gate, Benny could see a beautiful garden hidden from the rest of the meadow. Benny entered the garden and heard a quiet little sound coming from behind a bush. He found a small brown hedgehog sitting alone, with tears in his eyes. The hedgehog said he had lost a special golden key to his garden home. Benny promised to help the hedgehog find the missing key. They searched under flowers, beside rocks, and around the tall garden trees. After a long search, Benny noticed tiny footprints leading toward a sparkling pond. At the pond, Benny saw something shiny beneath the clear water. The golden key was resting on a smooth stone at the bottom of the pond. Benny flew down and carefully picked it up with his beak. The hedgehog quickly used the key to open his tiny garden house. Suddenly, colorful lights appeared among the flower, and the whole garden seems to come alive. Benny and the hedgehog laughed with happiness as butterflies danced around them. The hedgehog thanked Benny for being such a kind friend. He showed Benny a secret corner of the garden, filled with the sweetest berries and colorful flowers. Benny was amazed because he had never seen such a beautiful place. Benny asked other animals could visit the garden too. The hedgehog happily agreed and invited the birds, rabbits, squirrel, and butterflies from the meadow. Soon the secret garden became a joyful place where everyone could play and share. From that day on, Benny visited the garden every afternoon. The animals played together, helped one another, and cared for the flowers and trees. Benny learned that the secret place becomes even more special when it's shared with good friends. As the sun began to set, Benny flew home with a happy heart. He realized that the greatest treasure he had found was not the golden key, but a wonderful group of friends. From then on, Benny never forgot that kindness and sharing can make any place feel like home. Thanks for watching. Until our next story adventure.